So you've fallen behind, you don't think you're going to get any words written today, and you're wondering if you should even bother sitting down at the writing keyboard. I'm going to show you just how far you can take your career by choosing to sit down at that keyboard, even if it's for 5 or 10 minutes. Let's just say that you write 500 words. If you write 500 words per day, every day, right? 500 times 7 is 3,500 words, okay? Probably not a whole lot to show for, especially if you're writing in NaNoWriMo, for example, okay? I think a lot of people would say that's a very small word count number per day, okay? But let's keep going. 3,500 words per week times 4 is 14,000 words per month. But we must keep going. 14,000 words per month times 12 is 168,000 words per year. Now, if your average novel is 50,000 words, if we divide 168,000 divided by 50,000, that gives us 3.36 novels. I actually think that's not bad for a year. Three novels in a year, I'll take that. All right, but we have to keep going. So 3.34 times 10, if we did that for an entire decade, we would end up with 33 novels. All right, 33 novels in a decade. That puts you into prolific territory. So what you have a bad month? So what you have a bad year? You just saw the math. I bet every person watching would kill to have at least 30 books under their name. All right. That is why you sit down at the keyboard and do it, even when it's hard, even when you don't want to, because 10 years from now, you'll be thanking yourself that you did. So this is just your weekly motivation. Put your butt in the chair, get those words in.
Perfect.